3 minutes.
Yeah. Just twist around for me.
Hit it! Hold on!
Just twist around for me.
Priceless.
Go.
Just twist around for me. Just twist around for me. Just twist around for me. Yeah. Just twist around for me. Just twist around for me.
Priceless.
Success for us is not just actually one loss. Success is the growth of the kids.
We just had to give back to the community, take our community back. We tired of kids running around here with their pants hanging down off their butt. Just want to teach moral values, bring values back into the community.
Teaching the kids some social skills, kids understanding that how to deal with some adversity. So sometimes, believe it or not, losses is a plus for us because then kids have to learn to build from that and accept things in life and learn how to turn it around. Part of our job as coaches is to teach these kids that.
This is a team effort. It's just not on me. It takes a lot of people to get this thing going, this program going.
A loss does not mean it's the end of the world, but we take it as a building block. So success for us is built on a number of different things. And at the end of the day, if the kids have some fun, they learn social skills, and they learn how to deal with adversity, then we would mark that as a success.
Last year we had fun now.
Oh man, this year we had fun last year. This year gonna be even more. I got some new kids coming. We ready to, when we starting up?
We're starting up right now. Tri-County Hurricane now. Let people know.
Oh, I already put it out there. I already got a sign on my car. Hey, what's the number that we can reach here? 'Cause I got it.
Football 678-267-5718. I say again 678-267-5718. Football cheerleader.
Hey man, the phone gonna be blowing up because I already got parents lined up out the east to the west, man. We ready to do it because I already told them we the best. We gonna throw it out. Hey man, I got kids out there. Man, look at these kids like this right here. Watch that kid right. Oh, you can't believe it.
That's just beginning. Right. We ain't stopping there.
You know we won the division champ last year.
Exactly, but guess what? I'm finna put something.
We're going Super Bowl this year.
Super Bowl all the way, but guess what?
Talk to me.
We forgot about the girls, the cheerleaders.
Oh yeah, listen here. You know I got a little bit of baby. Can she get in the cheerleader? What the cheerleader start
Okay, cheerleader start right now. Cheerleader ages from 4 to 13. Listen, don't you know the 8 and under won the championship last year?
Say that ain't so.
The 8 and under won the championship, and the 12 under came in second place.
This is first
year in existence.
So this year, so the pressure's on us.
On us.
If you did that in the first year.
Exactly. So all the little girls that want to be cheerleaders now, contact Miss Sabrina Tyler at 678-267-5101.
Say that number again. Cause you messed me up.
I got messed you up.
Yeah, what's that number again?
678-267-5101. Miss Sabrina Tyler.
Let's do the cheerleaders. 1-1.
Who we?
We the Hurricanes, baby. Hurricanes,
what
baby.
What do we do?
We win.
What do we do?
We win.
How do we do it?
We do it smooth.
Ooh, there you go. Come holler at me.
An old guy, Proverbs of Jamaica says, many hands make heavy load light. So if everybody do their part, we can be successful. And I like the parents to know that, and I hope that they be willing to put their hands in to make the load a lot lighter.